This is Numb here with a day chronicling our snowy adventures in the blizzard that will always be remembered as Snowmageddon, termed by Barack Obama. Here is our backyard, or at least what's left of it. Let it be known throughout the 3 territories that whoever can journey through this wintry tundra, bring me the head of the Dache, then you shall be rewarded beyond imagining. Alright, enough of that. We're gonna go journey. This here is beyond the borders of known civilization.
It's like Planet Hoth.
AKA, this is where our property actually ends. Oh, look at how gorgeous. Frosted little tree. No sign of life, except for these 2 knuckleheads going through this wasteland. Wow, this is insane. Looking at Dache walking here, that is a good 20 inches at least, just piling on from days and days of snow. We had 2 storms in the last 4 days, one piling on top of the other. Move along. Move along. Does feel like Planet Hoth out here, that's for sure. And I thought they saw bad on the outside. Oh no, Dache. Get it up. The dangers, the perils of Homestead Drive. There's no one here within miles to hear you scream.
Catch it out of the wind.
Wow. I don't know if my lens is clear enough for you to see how crazy the wind is out here. It's been snowing non-stop since last night, February 9th, at about 8 o'clock. And it's really starting to pick up now. Dache, of course, sporting his Alley Viper G.I. Joe gear here. Look at this. Look at, that's my foot going all the way down. Pretty insane. Pretty fun. Give us a flip, Dache. Snow Angel, do it. You can't even move. Oh, that is a sign of a good storm. It's been since '96 since we've had something this epic.
I was only 12.
At the house that Babs built.
No, it's a
My mom's. The sequel indeed. Doesn't feel right without Chris and Barbie snowed in with us.
Yeah. I think about
Still epic.
Resistance.
Wow. It's taken us this past 3 minutes or so just to get this far. About halfway through the field. Our tracks already starting to get filled in again. Plowing through. Taking in the beautiful wintry sights. Look at these trees.
We actually have no power now.
Yeah, we lost our power about an hour ago now. Could be 72 hours till it's on, so we'll be roughing it. Creation style.
Look at how long the trees are.
That's incredible. Gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. Does it not fill you with wonder? How these trees, how these branches are staying, supporting all this weight. Hoping I'll still have the camera after doing all this. It is epically cold and snowing right into the lens and on my screen. Seems to be a nice little smudge that won't go away. So I hope I didn't break anything.
Take a seat.
Lounging it out. Put your feet up. Got a nice little cushion right there. That's what it's all about. I think I'll join you on whatever this used to be. That chair already lost the battle. And the snow won. There we go. Let's have a plop. That's a good life there, Dane.
Good shoulder in here.
The roads actually were closed by the governor of Pennsylvania.
And Rendell.
He declared an official state of emergency. But right here it just feels like a wintry paradise. Kind of cocooned beneath these trees.
Pine trees.
Absolutely gorgeous. The simple things in life, Dane. Like slowly developing frostbite. Sitting on these cold plastic chairs.
Like,
The winds are picking up again. Pretty crazy.
Just sign off.
Yeah, before I lose my battery and anything else, hopefully not my camera, this is Dane.
Ciao, people.
And a kid named Nuff. Signing off. Stay warm out there.